We all know Young Thug and Gunna for pushing P, but who really knew that that would mean pushing prison? Find out the details next. Hello, my name is Solomon Dortch, and I'm here with my guest, Charlie, and we're here to talk about Young Thug and YSL versus the state of Georgia. So, can you kind of help me out on the charges of what's going on with YSL?
Young Thug and his members of the YSL crew are being charged with the RICO Act, and RICO stands for Racketeer and Racketeer Influence and Criminal Organization, which means that as a group, as a whole, they are all being charged with the conspiracy to like move weight, which is drugs, conspiracy for murder, just things that are against the law that they feel that they as a group are doing together.
And I heard those are very, very hard charges to beat. So this could be a possible downfall of YSL. So
A big one.
man, the summer's gonna be cold. It's not gonna be hot.
It's already gone, and you already know Gunna and Thug was working on albums and everything before they got locked up. So it's like now they got it all on a standstill. It's on hold right now. It's hard because when you see pictures of them now on the media, it's like they're not good. We've recently heard in the news that Thugger wasn't liking the conditions that they had him in jail. And you already know the viral picture of Gunna who looked like he just tired of it already, ain't even been in there that long.
Going through it.
Going through it. Been there 2 weeks and already got denied for bond twice. Then they said he got to wait to January for his trial. So
2023.
In just 2 weeks, you already figured it out. That means they already got a case built up against you. They already got you that far out.
Well, I see they're using a lot of lyrics though.
Yeah. I know there was a viral clip on Instagram where there was a lawyer reading out different lyrics about them targeting police officers and judges. And they're like, oh yeah. They're in there smiling, talking about, you gonna love this next lyric because it's about a judge. And I'm like, yeah, that's ridiculous.
It's gonna be a cold, cold summer. So what exactly do you think is gonna happen with the case?
Honestly, right now it's not looking too good.
It's not.
All the other artists that's been in jail for RICO already talking about the minimum 20 years, 30 years in jail. So we already know it's not looking good for YSL. I mean, the good thing, but it's still a bad thing. New York just passed a law where they said they're not using rappers' lyrics no more, but that's just New York. It's not Atlanta. So the fact that they're still reading lyrics in Atlanta, no, that means they got something building up against them.
Being that it's a state case, I personally think it's going to be very hard. I think they're going to try to find some federal charges like across the state lines and then turn it over to the feds. I think that's what's going to happen.
Using the lyrics, it's going to be hard for them to even get an appeal out there to the federal if they don't go federal. So they really got them pinned down deep in there. I know that Thug has 2 charges, which is basically being the leader of the RICO, because like controlling everything. But Gunna has 5 charges, which is crazy because like they're looking at Gunna as a general too, like the second man in command. So they're charging him with a lot of drug possessions like marijuana, meth, cocaine, stuff like that. I'm like, where y'all finding this information
They got caught up, man. They got caught up. Well, I guess that's just how it is.
Yeah. I know they're trying to get one of their main men, like who always doing their features, Lil Baby and 4PF, they trying to take him away too. So Atlanta really trying to just like put a hole in the rap game right now.
They really just trying to take down Atlanta.
It's ridiculous. It's
unacceptable, man. It's sad.
Like we were all listening to Gunna new album. He going #1. Everyone just blasting it in the car, riding and everything. Next you know, wake up the next morning, they all getting locked up, talking about state charges, RICO. And it's like, if you know what RICO is, if you even heard of it, you know your favorite rapper probably gonna be gone for a while. And it's just like, that's crazy. I know Thug, he probably gonna be gone for a minute. You know, they separated him from the Fulton County jail because his beef with Lucci. And they say he put a hit out of him before, so it's just looking bad.
Well, I guess that's just how it is. Thank you for joining us. I'm Solomon. Peace.